Today I have this 14-inch wire ring. You're going to need 24 half pipe cleaners and 6 full-size pipe cleaners. I grabbed Deco Mesh in Buffalo Check and in the orange, both purchased at Hobby Lobby. And you can use as many colors as you want, but this is just the way I'm going to do it for today. So you're going to pinch your ends. After laying your Deco Mesh on top of one another, you're going to pinch your ends. I'm taking my half pipe cleaner, going under the center bars, the 2 center bars, wrapping the pipe cleaner around my end tightly, giving a few twists and tucking it under. Now I call this a bubble wreath, so each section you kind of want to be the same size. So I use my half pipe cleaner, I lay it down as my measuring tool. I pinch my section, push it forward, go under the 2 center bars, give a twist, and then tuck it under. Again, a half pipe cleaner as your measuring tool. Take a pinch, push forward, go under the 2 center bars, wrap your pipe cleaner nice and tight, give a few twists, and then tuck it under. One last time. Take your half pipe cleaner as a measuring tool, give it a pinch, push it forward, go under the 2 center bars, go around your Deco Mesh, make a few tight twists, and then tuck it under. Now each section you want to do about 4 sections of material. And I should have did this from the beginning, but you want to put your long pipe cleaners at every crossbar, all around your wire wreath. It's easier just to do it right from the beginning. I apologize. I should have did that first. So I'm going to fit that in where I should have. So between each crossbar, you want to do about 4 hoops or 4 pinches. I felt like that made my wreath nice and fluffy, but you can really do whatever you want. You could do whatever color combination you want. The longer your bubble, the less fluffy. It just gives a different design. So you can play around with that. But I'm going to focus on what I'm doing here because the sky's the limit and it's a long conversation if you start talking into different things that you can do. So you're just going to keep doing your measuring, pinching, pushing forward. And you try to fit 4 hoops in each section. So this is another option. You could take your different colors and put them alongside each other in your pinch and push forward, and it would just show the orange and the buffalo plaid more evenly. You could do 3 colors, one on each side of the buffalo plaid. I personally wanted my orange to be subtle. I wanted the buffalo plaid to be stand out more. So that's kind of why I did what I did. So you're going to go all the way around with your pinching and your twisting, and you're going to come to the end, and you're going to end just like you started. So this is going to be my last pinch. I'm going to measure out. I'm going to pinch it. I'm going to cut with a pair of scissors. Hold that end. Get it in the pipe cleaner, just like we did in the beginning, and give it a twist and tuck it under. And now you want to take all your long pipe cleaners and start exposing them to the top. Now this is where you pick any ribbon you'd like. You can do as many different colors as you like. I chose 2 different ribbons that I had. One has it's orange with some white pumpkins, and one is the black with the polka dots. And I'm putting mine in like an X fashion, pinching them, getting that down into my long pipe cleaner, twisting and bending it towards the back, tying that down. And then you just want to, expose them by just fussing with them. Now, ribbons, it's important that you have the wire ribbon. My polka dot is not wired. The wired ones just make it so much easier to shape when you're done. But it's not necessary. So you're going to go around and put this ribbon on every crossbar all the way around your wreath in the long pipe cleaners. Now, I found this Hello Fall at the Dollar Tree, and I actually thought it was pretty cute, so I decided not to change it at all. I love the red truck. I love the orange Hello Fall. So I put this on the back. I cut the string that came with it and tied it to the top part of my wire wreath. And I took a drill and drilled 2 holes at the bottom. And with some floral wire, I tied it to the bottom portion of my wire wreath. I found these sparkly pumpkins at the Dollar Tree. I cut off all the sticks, and I started by just placing them all in the center of each of my bows just to see if I liked it, and I did. So then I just took some hot glue and glued each of them down into the center of the bows. And that's pretty much it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can watch all these videos at chalkitupfancy.com. Any paint products, brushes, or transfers, or even tissue paper, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.